Welcome to our journey into the world of blockchain. Today, we will deep dive into blockchain technology. We're going to take you from the basics to advanced concepts, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how blockchain works and its transformative power in various industries. Imagine a digital ledger that is secure, transparent, and immutable. That's what blockchain is all about. Today, we'll explore how it works and its real-world applications, from finance to supply chain management. Let's start with the basics. In traditional banking, transactions can take days and involve intermediaries. But with blockchain, transactions occur directly and instantly between parties thanks to technology like smart contracts. This is revolutionizing how we think about trust and transactions. At its core, blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that allows data to be stored across a network of computers. Each piece of data forms a block, which is then linked to the previous one, creating a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. Each block contains a unique code, timestamp, and information about transactions or data transfers. Blockchain isn't just theoretical. Now, let's look at real-life applications. It's already being used in real life, from powering cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin to enhancing supply chain transparency and streamlining payments in banks. Its applications are vast. For example, Walmart uses blockchain to trace the origins of food products, ensuring quality and safety for consumers. Imagine buying your groceries and knowing exactly where they came from. That's the power of blockchain. In supply chains, blockchain can track products from origin to consumer, ensuring authenticity. Imagine knowing exactly where your food comes from, or verifying a luxury brand's authenticity, all thanks to blockchain's transparency and security. Blockchain is not just for cryptocurrencies. It's transforming industries like healthcare for secure patient records, entertainment for copyright protection, and more. The possibilities are endless, and understanding this technology can position you at the forefront of innovation. Now that you have a solid understanding of blockchain technology, we encourage you to dig deeper. Check out our resources in the description below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Your journey into the world of blockchain is just beginning. Let's explore together. Please like, share, and subscribe for more such information video. It's a small initiative from me, so help me subscribing so I can help you.